viewers, my dungeon owners and my cookie kids. We're back at Pokemon Showdown with another challenge video. Today we're gonna do the dun 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 the original trio bird challenge. So in this challenge you can take all the trio birds. I'll show you for I'll just show you. Zapdos. I can take both of them. Galarian Zapdos and Zapdos. I have to take both of them. So yeah, Zapdos and then Zapdos, Galar. Okay, yeah. Now Moltres. What's a Moltres? Oh, it's a CAP. Okay. Moltres Galar. Moltres. Now Articuno Galar, Articuno. Who likes to say that except for me? Tell me that in the comment section below if you like to say Articuno as Articuno. Okay. So, no. What the heck is happening? Pokemon Showdown. Play. I'm gonna play. Team Builder Zapdos. I'm gonna give Zapdos the... I don't know what to give the Zapdos. Zapdos, what do you want? What do you want? I don't know what to give him. Gee. Okay. What about Quick Claw? Quick Claw. Static. I don't want to give it baton pass. Brave Bird. Discharge. I'm giving it Discharge because he's gonna write a diss track about the other team. What about Drill Peck? Drill Peck is good. Oh wait, I wanna try this. Counter. Does it have counter? Counter. Oh, it does not. Why does it not? Zap Cannon. Yes, Zap Cannon. Attack. Defense. I'm gonna give this guy Quirky. Wait. And okay, yeah, done. Now Zapdos, Galarian Zapdos. Focus Sash. Not Focus Sash. What? Leftovers. Blaze Stick. Counter. Yes. Close combat and acrobatics. No, not acrobatics. Hurricane. Special attack. I want to give this guy the most speed. He needs speed. Because he's pretty much an ostrich with static and fighting powers. Moltres. No, not enough. wanna go out early. I wanna give it. I wanna give it. I wanna. Really wanna zig. And if you wanna be my lover, you've got to making this too easy. Ooh, Wiki Bell. I'm gonna give it Wiki Bell. Wiki Bell Wizard. Okay. Brave World. Dark Pulse. No, I'm not gonna give it Dark Pulse. I'm gonna give it a physical dark move. Foil play. Poltergeist. No, I do not want to give it instant power. Or Lash Out. Why did I give it Lash Out? Is Lash Out good? I don't know. Okay, yeah. Lash Out is super good. Now I gotta give it Lash Out. Wait, Lash Out I didn't give it. Now a thing which decreases the guy thingy. Oh, what is it? Stat lowered. Anything which lowers the stat. Ooh, Skillfish. It's a cherry sweet, nobody is me, no, I can't say nobody is me, no. So good, yeah, look so sweet, baby, you deserve a treat. Diamonds on my wrist, cause you call me ice cream. You can double dip, cause I know you like me. Okay, and now I'm gonna give this guy a flame orb. Flame. A flame body. Wait, what does the flame orb do? No, I thought that it did something. Salic ready. No. Wait, Zapdos galar instead of leftovers. You get this thing. You get the black belt. I want to give you the black belt. Belt. Okay, black belt. Now Moltres, you get something with fire. No. Come on. I do not know what to do. I don't know what to do. Okay. Fire, black. No. Blue flare. I can't give it flare bits. He is mainly a special attacker, right? A flamethrower. Overheat. Yeah. I want that. Okay, yeah, now done. Now this girl, choice picks. Competitive to giant pain. I'll just play carefully and not give a duck. Use it on set. Ooh, psychic 3. I forgot about that. Psychic terrain. Oh, what the heck was that? That's not good. Try shock. Okay. Now I need an attack lowering nature. Morris. Special attack. This is gonna be my special attacker. Earn it, man. This guy is gonna be my special attacker. Now Articuno normal. Articuno, a Cantonian Articuno. What does that do? Anything good? Oh damn, no. Who this thing? Icy rock. Hail, blizzard, avalanche, and air slash. Okay. Okay, now I need to increase his attack. Tada, 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 and tada. Okay, done. This is my team. Valorate for anything goes. Okay. Okay, what am I gonna do? Anything goes. Anything goes. Oh yeah. Team builder. Back. Team builder. Oh, what the heck? Team builder. Cross. Team builder. Okay, yeah. Anything goes. Validate. Done. Now home. Yeah, if you get battled by LOL Master Cheese, it's me. Okay? Pokemon Showdown. Playing it Zypados. That person only has a Dragonite. That person only has a Dragonite. Go Articuno. That person only has a Dragonite. Oh, I feel bad for that person. Hail. Blizzard. Roost, okay. Blizzard, super effective and crit. Frozen! I am a lucky person. Dynamax, Max Hailstorm. But you're frozen. Oh yeah, phew. I feel bad for that person. Oh, sorry. I'll have to play another game. I feel that for that person. Oh, I'm playing with that guy again. Now I'm not gonna Dynamax. I'm surely not gonna Dynamax. I am just kidding. I'm not gonna Dynamax. Sorry. Blizzard. Oh, this is smart. What does he say? Blizzard. Oh, he's using roots again and again. Huh? Buffeted by the hail. Blizzard. He Dynamax. Come on, man. What the crap? What the? What? Why did you do that? I gave you a second chance. Zap cannon. Come on. My god, what do you have? Oh my god. I need someone faster. Come on, Zapdos Galar. Come on. Not gonna Dynamax. I'm not gonna counter. Tank a hit. I gotta do something about this Dragonite. It's super strong. Go, Moltres! Foul play. What the crap? Expanding force, come on. I'm gonna Dynamax, okay? I'm just gonna Dynamax. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. Did I win or did I won? Okay. I didn't do any damage. I saw it. He died in confusion. Okay, so bye guys. Bye 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 bye. See you guys in the next video. Good. Bye 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 bye. Taran 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 taran.